Welcome to Carriage Point, an exclusive gated community overlooking the 17th fairway of the Watson Golf Course. The community is located at the most northern part of the Reunion Resort, offering a serene resort-style swimming pool and easy access to shopping, restaurants, and theme parks. This beautiful townhouse features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1-car garage, and a master bedroom balcony overlooking the 17th fairway of the Watson Golf Course. The kitchen is nicely appointed with 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dinette, breakfast bar, and is open to the family room. A separate dining room can be used for flex space, office, or dining. The main floor is accented with crown molding, natural sunlight, neutral colors, and half bath. All bedrooms and 2 full baths are upstairs with laundry utility closet. Situated minutes from major highways, theme parks, and shopping, the location is ideal for a second home, short-term rental, or primary residence.